Get this tray bomb right here. Get this tray bomb. Check this out. It's for all the baddies out there. Don't need a skater boy.
What are we doing today?
Whoa.
Doing drugs?
I don't know if asking me a good that. Okay, this is what we're doing. You for recording it?
Hell yeah, I'm recording it.
All right, so this is the game plan. The game plan, not no gang plan. We ain't no no member activity.
And then we're gonna do some more drugs.
Okay, so you got the video on the 370Z.
That was about a year ago.
And now we're gonna do it on a 350Z. Why the downgrade?
Because he's fucking stupid.
S14 is the downgrade.
You know, no, that was the upgrade.
Was the ultimate downgrade.
No, that was the ultimate upgrade. That was a beastly machine.
Dude, that thing didn't even get to a video.
Yeah.
So.
Well, you know how it is sometimes when it be like that. So we get to
When you're fucking stupid.
make a big mess. So that's the game plan.
What is this thing?
That is the
other
other
one.
side. We get to do it 2 times.
Oh my god.
So, the last video.
Sucked because you had to go in there and on the other side. And it took forever. But
I think we're prepared this time.
Oh my god. You gotta get the reenactment.
we're more trained.
We are more trained. Ethan's more trained. I don't know about you.
I just took the bumper off. Ethan's been dicking around this whole time.
So I'm a pro at taking my bumper off. It takes like 5 minutes.
Bro, be a pro at taking girls' panties off.
Oh!
I'll be a pro about taking a hot girl's panties off.
Oh!
What the fuck?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh, here's the
Dang
fight.
it.
That's the fight that Ben wanted right there.
I know. I'm stronger than you, Ivan.
Yeah, that came out of nowhere too. What the fuck?
It's aggressive.
You've chosen death.
I bet you can fit this up there.
Get the car up.
Okay. Oh shit.
Here, I don't want to take
still
the
not
zip.
off, bro.
No, it's a zip tied on. We can still.
Give me the
Someone just grab this while I lift the car up.
Yeah, stay strapped.
Dude, those zip ties took me so long.
That's not a zip tie, you numbnut.
Oh, it's not?
a clip, bro. Alright. We gotta do this strategically.
No, that's not. Oh, I see. Okay, don't do shit, Ben. Let me take it out. Ben, don't do shit.
Boom, 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 boom. Golly, bro.
Dude, we're not gonna fucking finish. That's why we take 4
Leo,
days.
don't let him do that. Say stop. Stop.
We're gonna
We're gonna go eat in a little bit.
We're gonna go eat?
Yes. So is she. We all are.
Yeah, we think I'm not hungry. Where are we gonna go eat?
Haley, where do you want to go eat?
I want it in and out.
That works. Oh my god. Drink a water bottle and it pulls you off. Well, I've only had 1 bowl of ramen noodles today.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ethan, where are your carbohydrates, bitch? Get this tray bomb right here. Get this tray bomb. Check this out. It's for all the baddies out there. Don't need a skater boy. I would have landed that, but I was nervous because the camera was on me. So.
For the baddies.
What?
Can you come check this side?
Are you singing the ring-a-ting-a? A ring-a-ting of that?
Hey, last time we had to use like hella breaker bars, remember?
Yeah, I need a breaker bar.
It's literally like.
Okay, Ethan, you don't want to work on that top bolt?
All the live long day.
Ethan, do the fucking top bolt, dude.
So like, should we get food first before they cook?
Yeah, go get food.
Wait, this isn't a good one.
Are y'all watching anime?
Oh, it's a thing.
Dude, today,
Gordito right there.
dude, I had to pick my ass so much. I get out of underwear from my fucking ass.
was fucking painful.
That was 2 years ago though, right? Yeah.
A year ago, I was still small. I went from 8 months eating tacos
Eaten and beaten.
and Whataburger, and I gained like a lot of weight, dude.
We all got big except Ethan. Ethan just cut his hair.
Well, I'm the same. I've been like this since like 7th grade.
Hey, one day, or dude, don't worry about it. One day, you're just gonna start gaining weight, and you're like, oh fuck.
Metabolism's
Bro, you
gonna
gotta
stop.
start gaining bitches. Dude, I'm a year older than you, so don't even worry about it.
Well, you're like 2 months older than me.
2 months.
What are you talking about?
Dumbass, it's July to
You're 4
November.
months older than me.
Bro, 5 months.
Maybe I'm just a week. No, I'm like, I don't know, cause dude, this was recently I started gaining weight fast.
Yeah, you gained this weight like recently. Like,
It was
within
no
the
weed.
year.
Yes! Yes!
White.
That's what happens when I get bored.
What are y'all doing?
Give me any time of day to talk to me, man.
So Ivan's down there just getting off the last few bolts, then
Well, there's only one.
Then we're just replacing the cats with more efficient cats.
And then we can get some goddamn chow.
Yeah. But we just... There's still cats in this, just they're more efficient.
There's no cats in this bitch.
Yes, officer.
There's no cats in my car.
They're only dogs. Here, boo. This thing about to be brown.
I'll get it off. It's gonna fall on you.
No, it's not. That one's already fully off. It hasn't fallen down. No, I need more. Keep going at it. I'll grab it. Here, can you pull on this one now? Like pull up? No, pull down. Cause I'm pulling down on this.
What do you mean pull down?
Like on the cat, pull down on it. Yeah, there we go. Now it's out of the. Wait, no, we almost had it out. Pull down again. Just pull down on the cat. Like pull down.
I can't.
Watch out. Yeah.
Yeah.
First
Ooh,
one.
yay, now we get to upgrade them to more efficient and less stinky cats.
It's just so the crowd can hear me, you know? No, just so incoming traffic. I'm trying to get better gas mileage.
Yeah, honestly, it's just more economical.
Y'all should go get food right now.
No, we're waiting for you.
No, go get food.
We're waiting on you. I'm waiting on you.
Go. Bro,
Let's see what we got here.
That's.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Hold it over your head, you got to. That's a proud fish.
Here we go. Now we just gotta take.
That is the inefficient
Yeah.
catalytic converter.
So.
What we're doing is putting in a smaller one so it's lighter, but the filter is more efficient.
Yeah.
So, therefore, like look at the weight. That's the old,
This is heavier.
that's the new one.
This one's a new one. And all you have to do is just take the.
And like look, it's so much more quieter. So you couldn't even hear me. So, yeah. So now we're just doing the hard part of getting all the bolts back together. But both test pipes are already in. We're just buttoning everything up and the hard spots. Yeah. Alright, so we just got everything back together. Intake's back on. Now we're just putting the bumper back on. Got it off the ramps already. We got it in the crowd. Little MT right there.
Here, the clips are right over there.
Where?
Behind you.
Alright. Alright, I'll be back.
It didn't take us 6 hours, you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna be real with you. I think the 350 test pipes
Way easier than
are easier than
370.
yeah, because the 370 we had to take the strut brace off. Remember?
We had to like sew it
Yeah.
off too, because we couldn't take the O2 sensor out.
Yeah.
You know, that can
And
also
there's
be.
and there's 2 intakes on that other car. This
You
one
know.
only had the one.
This is what knowledge gets you after you work on cars. This would take us 2 days. 2 years ago.
What? It took us 4 hours. Well, it took y'all 4 hours.
Yeah. Okay, it's ready now.
Don't wrap it up.
I want to see if I can still have the check in them.
Yeah, you will.
Wow, we can really hear it. That sounds good.
Okay, apart from that piece, that
Apart
belt
from the
sound,
supercharger, I think that's
I have the service engine light. But that was because I was sent. I'll just unplug the battery in a second.
It's louder.